Hi, this is Sajitya. Today I'll be unboxing the biggest rival of Poco F3 GT and the Realme X7 Max, the flagship killer from OnePlus, the Nord 2 5G. Yes, we finally managed to get our hands on it. This is the first phone post the official merger of Oppo and OnePlus, and OnePlus has made significant changes compared to its previous edition, but has it been able to make justice to the tagline of being a flagship killer? That's something we'll be seeing throughout the video, but for now, let's get to the unboxing. I really like the overall branding of the box. Black always stands out, and this box is here to make a statement. It looks similar to the previous edition, but I really like how Nord is more embossed and has a gradient finish this time. Right side of the box has the OnePlus Nord 2 5G branding. The other side of the box has the OnePlus branding. The lower side of the box has the stickering details containing about what's actually packed inside. We managed to get the Grey Sierra, the 12/256GB variant, which is priced at 35,000 rupees. The previous edition was powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon, and this is the first phone to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity. But for now, I really can't wait to see how the Grey Sierra looks like. Let's get to the unboxing. That was smooth, and here's the Nord's Grey Sierra. Wow, it looks really nice, but I'm just going to keep it aside for now and going to show you what's actually inside the box apart from the phone. It comes with a bumper case, which I'll be showing you guys how the phone actually looks onto it. Design wise, I think it's fine. And here are a few paperworks. Here's a small note from the team. It actually has 28 emojis for each member of the team. I think it's very nice and it has a personal touch to it. Here's a membership card, a safety information, a quick start guide, and the Nord sticker. It also comes with a signature red cable and the Warp Charge 65. I really can't wait to power the device and test the charger. But for now, I really want to see the Grey Sierra. Let's move to the first look of the phone. Wow. First impression, I really like the grey color. The overall build has glass on both sides. The sideline seems to be of a glossy plastic finish, but it seems sturdy to me. The lower part of the phone has the charging port, the SIM card tray, and the dual stereo speakers. The left sideline of the phone has the volume rocker. It's pretty accessible, and I don't really think your hand size matters here. The right side of the phone has the alert slider. OnePlus has finally brought it back again. It has a textured feel to it and makes this sound. I think it's satisfying, but that's for you to decide. The top side of the phone has a noise cancelling microphone, but I really think they missed out the 3.5mm earphone jack. I remember them promoting it in the Nord CE series, but I don't really understand what the brand is trying to say to its consumers and the strategy behind this. But nevertheless, the build seems to be great. The front part of the phone has a 6.43 Fluid AMOLED display with its 90Hz refresh rate. I know there's a lot of debate on how it could have been fixed onto 120, but let's just fire it up and see if that's going to make a difference. The bezels on the top and the bottom seem to be small, and I don't think it's going to make a huge difference, but let's just check it out.
Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
OnePlus has officially integrated the ColorOS and the Oxygen OS with the Nord 2 5G. While the statements from the brand state that users are not going to find any difference, I really feel OnePlus should have made the Oxygen OS exclusive. But time will answer if there's going to be any significant difference. The camera design structure of the OnePlus Nord 2 5G is similar to that of the OnePlus 9 series. While the previous edition had a 4-camera setup, the latest one has a 3-camera setup. The primary lens is a IMX766 Sony sensor with a 50-megapixel aperture of 1.8 and OIS. The second lens is an ultra-wide 8-megapixel lens, and the third one being a 2MP depth lens. Moving on to the front camera, it has a huge upgrade where OnePlus has actually moved from a 16 megapixel camera to a 32 megapixel camera. While using the Oxygen camera app, You actually feel the UI is similar to that of the ColorOS, and that's the first effect you get of the official integration of the ColorOS and the Oxygen OS UI. I'll be showing a few photos I took with the camera. I majorly shot a few objects, humans and places, so you get a brief understanding about how the camera is actually performing. I really like how the camera is doing justice to the specifications, but that's for you to decide. The overall design of the OnePlus Nord 2 5G seems to be great. The build seems to be great. The color looks very premium. I think OnePlus has scored in many departments here. I think they got a great screen. The camera looks really great. But is the OnePlus Nord 2 5G a worthwhile upgrade from the OnePlus Nord? Has OnePlus been able to do a great job with the integration of the ColorOS and the Oxygen OS? And can it still stick to the tagline of being a flagship killer? That I'll be answering in the next video. I'll be comparing the OnePlus Nord 2 5G with the OnePlus Nord. But for now, I think it's a great device. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and make sure you share this video with a friend who's planning to buy the OnePlus Nord 2 5G. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Aditya signing off for the day. Goodbye.